Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl Diototayo when they bring una ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbase, mona gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. Today we wan talk about the Yoruba nation. The Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land don come out on Monday wey be 31st of May 2021. For the year Oduaji festival wey dem do for Orile Agege in Lagos State. Na there him come take talk say some politicians for the southeast region dey try to override the Yoruba interest because of their political ambition for 2023. Him come vow say no matter how they try to play their mago-mago, their selfish way no go stop the people from agitation, because the politician wan try to use constitution review as bid for agitation in Yoruba nation. They wan try to use the constitution review to deceive the people again. So e no go work for the politicians in southwest, because dem themselves dey ready for self-determination. The Yoruba people they don tire for how the federation don fall. Now they don reach the level on how to seek for self-determination, because they believe say Yoruba go do better as a race if all Yoruba people unite together to seek this freedom. E no matter whether you be Christian or Muslim, you have to work with the Yoruba nation people to progress the race for Oduduwa Republic. Say now they don dey fully ready, no going back for their agitation for Yoruba nation again. They don stand for their ground, because now they don look and say politicians they wan try to do mago-mago with them because of their selfish desire, selfish mind concerning 2023 election. So they no want am again, because you know say for Nigeria, once election don dey reach, everybody go try to do wetin, do one or two things when e wan take buy the people to himself, try to dey play good. But after the election, boom, you no see them again. So they no want that kind thing again. That is why they dey agitate for Yoruba nation. So my people, now say ma do wetin, come let una know. Let's go straight to our second news for today. This news na about the chief provost of Nigeria Immigration Service, popularly known as NIS, for Imo State. The man name dem dey call am Okemutemrere. Government don go attack am on Saturday night wey be 29th of May 2021 for Owerri Port Harcourt Road, Owerri in Imo State. So the senior officer for NIS na him come narrate wetin happen. Say Okemute dey drive him official Hilux wey belongs to NIS. Na there dem come take wele am. Say the government dey scatter the Hilux van with bullets. When they see the whole Hilux, e dey ho when they take shoot everywhere. So na there they come take carry am go enter bush, go kpai. So the senior officer come talk say when they come dey look for am, they come go see the body for inside bush the next day, when be on Sunday 30th of May 2021. Say when they reach the place, they look everywhere, inside the motor, everything. They see say the government dey not take anything from am. The service weapon wey e dey with am, dey not touch am, everything dey intact. So na his life the government just target, no be anything, they just wan come assassinate am. So for this thing wey happen, nobody know the reason when they don take come assassinate am. Nothing, because they no take anything from am. Na just to come kpai am, na they just come for. This recent happening na one of the highest killing wey dey take place for the nation. People just dey die every day, every blessed day. And Nigeria president, he refuse to come speak to Nigerians at this time. Now assassinate, they just dey assassinate people up and down. and the Nigeria president no dey talk anything. The thing dey very bad, very very bad, my people. So now I say ma do wetin, come let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.